So here we have a couple problems with variables on both sides, and I'll solve problems 1 and 2. The whole idea when you have variables on both sides is you want to get all your variables on one side and move all the numbers to the other side. So if I'm looking at number 1, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. I could have also subtracted 5x from both sides. I just chose 3x because it's a smaller number. Not that that's the only way you have to do it. 5x minus 3x is 2x, so I'm left over with 2x minus 2 equals 4. The 3x's were gone from the right side of the equation because 3x minus 3x is 0. Now we're down to a two-step equation. It should feel very familiar at this point. We're adding 2 to both sides, so we have 2x equals 6. And then we're dividing by 2, and we have x is equal to 3. Checking your answer, does 5 times 3 minus 2 equal 3 times 3 plus 4? Well, ask yourself, does 15 minus 2 equal 9 plus 4? Both are equal to 13. Looking at problem number 2, it also has variables on both sides, but first there are parentheses. You need to deal with parentheses first. So we're going to distribute. So I'm going to distribute 5 times m, 5 times 5, 10 times n, 10 times 6. Leave me with 5m minus 25 equals 10m minus 60. I could choose which direction I want to move my variables. Now this looks just like problem 1. So I could either move my variables to the left side or I could move them to the right side. On problem 1, the red ink, I move them to the left side. So just for variety's sake, let's move it to the other side. Minus 5m, because that cancels out positive 5m. I have negative 25 equals 5m minus 60. Then I want to move my constants to the other side. Plus 60 gives me 35 equals 5m. Divide both sides by 5 and I have my solution. 7 is equal to m. Checking my answer, I'm asking if I plug in 7, are the two sides equal to each other? And that gives me 5 times 2 on the left side and 10 times 1 on the right side. So they are equal to each other. So there you go, a couple examples of variables on both sides. Please keep asking for help if there's anything I can do.